Okay, hello dear friends, good morning, just came back from swim, such a beautiful, beautiful morning. I just came back from swimming yeah, and I want to take this opportunity to chat with you about my YouTube post. And I have made a video asking friends to make suggestion. What would you like to see? What I should go? And then I got a really good suggestion. There was one friend mentioning about a real town in I do not even know the place. It's in California, I think in Sonora County. And I think I have never been there, I have never heard about it. And he or she said, they said, I'm surprised you have never been to that place. I am surprised and ashamed that I didn't even know about that place. Thank you for pointing it out or give me some pointers. A lot of places I do not know. And if you have any place that you would like to suggest for me to go, or for me to make a video, or for whatever reason, or not even about me, it's about something you are passionately think about, or you are curious, or you are interested, and you feel that worth sharing, list it up. Who knows? All these places I want to see, there will be chance that I pass by there, I go there, or just to keep my mind open for new places. So thank you very much for that one. Okay, and a lot of friends mentioned about art museum. We got a majority for art museum, more than 50%. People said art museum, and about 20% library, and about 6-7% city hall, and shopping mall, about 10% shopping mall, and a lot of friends mentioned about natural place, botanic garden, and those things. It's really eye-opening. I have not even thought about those. So this kind of posts, this kind of polls really give me the chance to see the world outside my comfortable zone. And a lot of time, we just cannot think something out of what we are comfortable with, what we like, what we feel up to. So these kind of suggestions, they are just so good. I am sincerely grateful. So in the evening, I finished my class. I was thinking, why not going? And Thursday evening is a lot of museum long hour. I remember when I was in Australia, in Sydney, Thursday evenings is the long shopping hour. So a lot of time in Thursday evening, we went to Pitt Street in downtown Sydney, World Trade Center. We We lived in World Trade Center, 85th floor, when we were there. And Darling Harbor and all these things. Okay, now let's come back to my real life now. So Thursday evening and Friday I do not work. So, which is today, once in a while on Friday I do not work. My schedule is not working on certain Friday. So I went to San Francisco. It's so good. I went to the I was originally thinking of Asian Art Museum, and then as I almost arrived there, I was thinking, why not try something different? Because next week I am going to Asian Art Museum. It's already decided there is a teachers' activity, teachers' open house, and my school is supporting me to go there. So next one of the Thursday teacher open house is actually February 8th or 9th, something like it. I will go there. February 9th, I am going there. So that is one thing. And I went to San Francisco downtown last night. I went to Modern Art Museum, SF MoMA, and there is a video about it. You will see the video very soon. And there is another video of Exploritarian. It's a children's, not even children, adult entertainment, science entertainment. I got a membership. I got all the museum membership. This is the thing. I'm thinking I do not eat outside. So if you do not eat outside, you can save $10, $20, something like it, right? You save $20. 3 times not eating outside, you can buy a membership for the museum. Anyway, people have different priority. For me, eating outside or go to coffee shop outside is not a very wise money spent in comparison, because I do not do a lot of meetup. I do not do. Anyway, you get the idea. I do not need to explain anything. No need to justify yourself for these silly things. Okay, so what I'm talking about. So I went to Exploritarium. I have a membership also there. So this is almost the 10th time. I go there very often, very often. And last night I went there and there was music every late Thursday night. They have a DJ playing, and last night I was dancing. Yeah. So when the night finished, when we are about to go out, there was one gentleman came to me and said, "You are so fun, your dance is so cool." I am so happy. I wear my comfy shoes, comfy pants. Okay, so thank you for your suggestion. I went out. I will do as much as possible the video of the outside world. Sometimes a city, sometimes museum, sometimes library. You will. Thank you for pointing out. And I will talk about another thing about city malls, shopping malls. Just last Wednesday or something, a couple of days ago, I went to a shopping mall. loved it. I loved it. And I will do a blah 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 with video footage, with photo footage, a voice over of it. You will see it. Anyway, thank you very, very much for pointing this. I will upload video just to match up with your comments. And the nature things, I have a lot of video of the vacation trip in the nature in the equator area in Central America. Those are a lot of tropical rainforest video footage. You will see them. This video is just to say thank you for pointing out. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for bringing in so many new ideas. You are the most welcome to write anything, bring in any idea. You bring out the idea. How I take it is my business. How you want to help others is your own pride. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Go, bye, bye.